Okay, so this is part 2 of my video. My large glue gun went out. I'm not sure what happened to it, and so I have my tiny glue gun. All right, and we're going to glue the Care Bear onto the cap. So let's put the glue on the bottom of his feet. Okay, stick him onto the cap like that and make sure it's secure. Okay, we're gonna set the Care Bear to the side, which I'm not sure what Care Bear that is. Y'all might know. Stormy Bear, I don't know. Anyway, now we are going to add a little bit of water. So we just want a little bit of water where he's like stepping into it. Okay. Let's see. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. You don't need very much water when you're adding oil because you want to be able to see your toy floating in the water, okay? Now with this one, I'm gonna add blue food coloring, 1 drop, and we're gonna mix the color up here. You can have a lighter blue or a darker blue. If you put another color, that's going to be pretty dark. Which the one I made of Superman, that's a really dark blue. That looks kind of cool. This is a tad bit lighter, which I think it looks pretty good with this Care Bear, okay? Now you want to add your oil. Okay. So, make sure y'all can see that. Put it right there. So, you're going to add the oil to the very top. You want to make it sure it's the very tip top so you don't have any air bubbles. Okay? And so it's gonna look like that. That's gonna be enough water. It's gonna look like he's kind of standing in a rain puddle. Okay? And what I discovered making these water globes, if you drop food coloring into the oil, it doesn't mix. So you end up with these little bubbles in here, which looks kind of cool. Food coloring bubbles. Anyway, we're going to screw the cap on here. It's going to overflow, but I will use a napkin under the bottle because I did fill it to the tip top with oil. So when you screw your cap on, it's going to drip out of the sides, which is totally cool. You shouldn't have any air bubbles in it at all. Okay. Now, depending on how you hot glue your toy in, ideally I would have liked to have had it facing, the long ways right here, but anyway, there's no way of telling, I guess. Actually, probably, if you had, put your toy in upside down and then screw the bottle on, you might know how to glue your toy facing the right way, but oh well. Anyway, I'm sorry. This is all like brand new stuff that I'm doing. Showing everybody fun, cheap things to do while everyone is having to stay home and doing homeschool, remote teaching, whatever. Something fun to do with your kids, grandkids, students, or just for yourself. If you're a crafter, I love arts and crafts. So we're gonna wipe the oil off. It's nice and oily. Okay, and tip it there. And there you go. He's not screwed on the right way, you know. In the picture, you're gonna see it, he looks sideways. So you're gonna turn it and he's gonna look that way. So you're gonna have to be creative and figure out how to hot glue your toy on where he's facing towards the front. So there's your Care Bear one. Easy peasy, all from the Dollar Tree. Water globes. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.